Hi friends, now we are getting a problem called this PC can't run Windows 11. This PC does not meet the minimum system requirements to install this version of Windows. For more information, visit Microsoft website. For this, we have a solution. One small, simple, tricky solution I will show you. I already connected two pen drives. One is Windows 10 and one is Windows 11. I will show you. I have connected two pen drives. One is Windows 10 and one is Windows 11. What you have to do is open the Windows 10 pen drive. In the Windows 10 pen drive, open the sources. In the sources window, select Control A. Control A. Then in the sources folder, Vista XP, and I will show you one more file is there. Install.esd. Apart from this file, except install.esd and Vista and XP, except these files you need to copy. Then go to the Windows 11 folder, Windows 11 pen drive. In the Windows 11 pen drive, open the sources folder. In the sources folder, you need to paste it here. Copy, paste it. The destination already contains a folder named this file name. What you do is do this for all current items. Press the yes button. It will merge. Copy and replace it. After the copying these files, your bootable Windows 11 pen drive is ready. You can start the Windows 11 installation. You will not getting any error message called this system it will not support or not any requirement. That message you will not get it. Without any error, it will install Windows 11. Wait for few seconds. Your Windows 11 bootable pen drive, it will be ready to install Windows 11 without getting any error message. Thank you.